Welcome to virtualintelliconcepts.com. Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to configure serial interface in your router. Serial interface is used to communicate between the two routers. One serial interface, one end is data communication equipment, then another end is data terminal equipment. The serial interface have the two end. One is serial communication data communication equipment, another data terminal equipment. Today we are going to configure serial interface between the two routers. This is easy to make the router to router connection between. I'm going to take one router from here, then another router also here, taking here. By default this router I don't have the serial interface. First I want to add the serial interface with these both the routers. Go to router, right click, go to configuration mode, just click configuration, right click configuration, go to R1, just to go to slots. Once if you click in slots, go to serial interface slots option, go there, choose the pick 1T. This interface they have the serial interface port. Just click pick 1T option, just click it OK. This router also don't have the serial interface. Click your router, go to configuration, double click this option, go to slots. Want to choose here also pick 1T interface, choose pick 1T, click OK. Once if it is done, want to make the connection between these two routers, go to take cable option, choose cable option. This router interface want to configure between the serial interface, this router interface serial 0/0, then this router serial interface 0/0. Once if it is completed, we want to cancel our cable option. Once if we complete, go to start our router topology. This is the connection between the two router serial interface. This interface is the this R4 router serial interface. Then this interface is the R5 router serial interface. Today we are going to configure IP address of this interface. I am going to configure IP address of this interface is 10.0.0.1. Then I am going to configure IP address of this interface is 10.0.0.2. These two IP addresses I am going to configure today. Once if you complete, go to router, right click your router, go to console option. So go to console option for configure your router, right click your router, go to console. Just wait. Right now router modules was successfully loaded. Want to verify what are the routers have the interface, using show IP interface brief. This command is to verify the your router have the what are the interface. This router have the fast Ethernet interface 0/0 and serial interface 0/0. Today we are going to configure the fast Ethernet interface 0/0. Okay. Go to configuration mode, configure terminal interface. Our interface is serial interface 0/0. Just enter. Want to configure our IP address, 10.0.0.1. our subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Want to power on our interface. By default this interface was shutdown state. Want to power on our serial interface 0/0. we are going to using no shutdown command. This command is used to power on our interface. Once if we complete it, we want to set the clock rate. Just want to set the clock rate. This clock rate only we are setting on the data communication equipment only we are setting at the end of data communication equipment. Once if we complete, we want to exit. Okay, you verify the interface status. So interface serial 0/0. You can see this is the serial interface 0/0. IP address is 10.0.0.1. okay. Once if you complete that, go to next router. Want to configure next router, R5 router serial interface IP address of 10.0.0.2. okay. Go to router, right click, go to console. Want to verify the router interface status brief. This router have the two interface. One is serial interface 0/0, another is fast Ethernet 0/0. Only want to configure the serial interface 0.0.2. okay. Go to this router, configuration mode, terminal interface serial 0/0, IP address of 10.0.0.2 space 255.255.0.0.0. Once if you complete it, we want to enable the router interface, no shutdown. Just come back, exit, verify the router interface status. So IP interface if You can see right now this serial interface IP address 10.0.0 was successfully configured. So right now this both routers interface was successfully configured. Next we want to make the connection between, want to check the connection between these two routers using the ping command. First go to R4 router. I make this R4 router. I'm going to make the ping between the R4 router to R5 router ping 10.0.0.2. You can see router was successfully ping connection between the R4 router to R5 router. Then go to R5 router, ping between the R5 router to R4 router ping 10.0.0.1. You can see here also this router was successfully configuration done. Okay, thank you for watching.